guys, today we came with another Bengali recipe. It's perfect for the winter seasons. It's called Doodh Puli Pitha. It's nice and creamy with a delicious filling. Now my mum's going to tell you in Bengali what she thinks of it. As you can see, soft and creamy, and the filling is crunchy. We'll show you how to make that as well. She's testing it now.
খুব মজা হইছে.
Now let's start with ingredients. So we have 2 tablespoons of ghee and shredded coconuts. We're using 1 cup of shredded coconuts. You can have different sizes of chunks to mix up the textures and the taste. We also have half a cup of sugar, or you can have sugar to taste, milk powder, half a cup, and cardamom powder, half a teaspoon for flavour. Now we're heating up our ghee in a pan and letting that melt. With our ghee, we're also putting in our shredded coconuts. Once the coconuts change slightly in colour, we're going to put in our granulated sugar and stir that in and let that mix well. Then add in your milk powder and also stir that in. And add in your cardamom powder with your milk powder. Now we're just going to leave that at the side to cool down whilst we get on with the dough. This is our filling that we just made. So for the dough, we're using 1.5 cups of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of water. So we're going to boil our water. The water came to a boil, add in your salt. Gently move the pot so the salt stirs around, and then add in your rice flour, but don't stir it, and close the lid and cover for 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes you may stir it with the water, and it should combine nicely into a dough. Then turn off the flame and leave the pot covered for 5 minutes. Then after that, you're going to knead your dough. Don't let your dough cool down, you need to work with it whilst it's still warm. Then cover the dough with a damp cloth. This prevents air hitting the dough, so the dough is nice and moist, and you're going to get a bit of it. And then mould it into a flat shape within the palms of your hands. And then in the centre, you're going to put in the filling and then seal the edges. Whilst making them, make sure you cover it with a damp cloth. For the next step, you'll need milk and a quarter cup of sugar or sugar to taste. Next, in a pot, you're going to heat up your milk. Add in your sugar to your milk and let the sugar dissolve within the milk. Then place your Doodh Puli pitas in the milk. Next, you're going to cover and let the Doodh Puli pita boil. Once it came to a boil, this part is optional. You may add a little bit of double cream or single cream to add a little bit of creaminess. This is an optional step which is not required. And then move the pot a bit. And make sure to turn the flame off after 2 minutes. So here we have our creamy, delicious Doodh Puli pita. It's very easy to make with this step-by-step tutorial. So hopefully you'll try it. This sweet dish is from the Bengali cuisine and is perfect for winter seasons, or you can have it all year round. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.